All right, hey, it's Ryan from Boast. We're talking about embedding. So the most common things that you're going to want to embed is a form. So in the forms area, after you've created your form, you can go to the share feature. So when I go to share, it's also up top here, design settings share. We've got this embed on your website area. So you can do JavaScript or iframe. JavaScript's the recommended one to do first. You can copy that here. By first, I mean try it, make sure it works. If it doesn't work, you can try the iframe. So some systems will prefer one over the other. The JavaScript's a little more full-featured and a little better if you even notice a difference. But give this one a shot. It's going to be a little more integrated into your site than the iframe in terms of like automatic resizing and some intelligence. You can copy that there. And then the other option is the widgets here, which is displaying them. And you can create these and then get this embed code. So after you create it, you'll see it listed here. So just edit this. You can make your tweaks here, however you want them to display. You can save it. Once you've created or saved it, you can get the embed code here as well or on the main page. So let's do this one first. Again, iframe or JavaScript. Let's do the JavaScript. We copy that. So we can go out to our website here, fake home sales, and edit this page. So we're looking at a WordPress page. We're going to look at this with a page builder that's installed first. And most of these page builders and systems have a way to edit this kind of stuff. So this one is like with raw HTML. You can click the pencil there and embed the code. We've already got it in here, but you can do that. This one's a little more of an updated one. So most of these builders have a way to like kind of add an element. So you can hover over here or find a plus and add in something. Usually you're looking for something that's kind of like the JavaScript, or HTML, something like raw to put in that code because it's not, you don't want that code to actually show on the page. If you just typed in that code in a normal text area, it's just going to show the code. That's not what you want. You need it to actually be injected in the page, and that's via the raw, like an HTML or JavaScript. Also doing something like a Gutenberg. So this is kind of a default WordPress install here where we can go to the dashboard, and Gutenberg is the default editor in WordPress. So if we went to like a post, add a new post, it's going to default to Gutenberg here, and I'll show you how to do it there. So I'm guessing your site's probably going to look a little different, but you'll have this like little plus button where you can add a block and you can browse all. And the one you're looking for here is that custom HTML. We've got this embed or the custom HTML works. So try the embed one. Okay. I was right with my original one, which is we have to use the custom HTML. I was mistaken. Custom HTML. Boom. Boom. Put it in there. Once it's in there, we can publish it. Sure. Then we can view it. And then, bam, we've got it. So that's how your embeds will work. You'll get that JavaScript code, edit your website, and you need to put it into kind of like either a text view or an HTML, or it'll say like raw or JavaScript. And we also have a couple more tips on our site of how to do it on very specific platforms, but majority of the platforms are going to work. And if you're collecting video on your site using the embed, you're definitely going to want to make sure your site is HTTPS and secured. That way the camera and everything like that can work okay. There's lots of updates in the browsers recently, and you most likely can't get the video connection to work without being on a secure connection. So you'll want to make sure your site is secured, which is a general good practice anyways. All right, as always, if you have questions, boast.io and connect with us over chat. Thanks. See you.